Hey guys, Alex here and Chris right here. So today we're gonna do a product demo, and it's pretty exciting. So I personally have been consuming BodyKey for like nearly 8 years, and so has Chris as well, a couple of years. So we're really excited today to show you this demo, and it's amazing. I'm just gonna show it to you now. So what happened is on my right hand side, which is your left, is purified water, clean. And in the middle, we're going to put the plant protein later on. And on my left hand, which is your right, we're going to add plant protein and BodyKey. Like this is BodyKey. This is my favorite. So I'm going to start with the plant protein now. We're going to add a little bit of plant protein onto this glass in the middle. I'm going to give it a stir. And it can dissolve in water easily, even in a room temperature water. So give it a stir. It's nearly there. So yeah, done. Dissolve. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So yeah, that's the all essential amino acids, plant protein. And the next one, what I'm gonna do is I've got a shaker right here. I'm going to add plant protein. Skip to that, right? And a pack of BodyKey, right? So this is brand new. So I'm going to open up. Very simple, right? So we got like in Australia, New Zealand, we got like chocolate, berries, and chai latte. And some other countries they have different flavors as well, like green tea and vanilla as well. So this product is amazing. Like it just helped me fill in my nutrition gap. And yeah, when I travel to certain countries, right, I just carry this with me all the time, and it really helped enhance my state of my body. And it's just amazing, the formulation in the sachet itself is made out of a really high quality plant protein base, and vegetarian can basically use that as to fill in the gap in their nutrition daily needs. So and the essential amino acids is amazing. I really love it because your body have 30 trillion cells. It just absorbs into your body. So I'm gonna check again this one. I'm gonna see, like, I'm gonna pour on my left hand side this BodyKey, right? Boom. Okay, so here you go, guys. We're gonna get Steve turn off the lights. So if you look at the one on my right, which is your left, you've got this purified water, right? Again, the one in the middle is just the plant protein, and then the one on my left, which is your right, is the BodyKey mixed plant protein. So I'm gonna dip in this one. Just have a look at this one. See, there's nothing coming out from a bulb, right? Let's look at the one in the middle. You get a little bit of energy, right? Okay, so let's look at BodyKey and plant protein. Right? We'll have a look again. Just water. First thing in the morning. Just water without any food. Just the plant protein. Right? Just a little bit. Just a hint. And the plant protein mixed BodyKey. Right? So as you can see how important it is that you get your first meal of the day right? So I'll try that again. If let's say your breakfast, right, you only have a bit of water, right, and you're missing the nutrition, right, that's all right. You can do it as soon as possible. Just add a little bit of BodyKey and more and more and more and more. There you go. You're good to go. Good as gold. All right, we'll just get the light turns on, please. So thanks, TV. So the whole idea of the demo, right, is to really reveal the importance of the first meal of the day, right? So with BodyKey, basically, and plant protein, it is made out of your completed whole day requirements of your nutrition needs, right? And so you can basically fill in the gap first thing in the morning. So the fact is, when you wake up in the morning, right, the reason why it's called breakfast is you are breaking the fasting, right? You're breaking the fasting. So that golden opportunity of like food that you can put into your body is really important. So you got to put in the best you can. So some of them probably say about 70% of the absorption rate is within that window of opportunity. So yeah, so you give the best you can, and I highly recommend, because I've been personally consuming for like close to 8 years, and it has significantly benefits my health, and I just have so little problems from that, like this past couple of years. And you just make use of that window of opportunity, put the best you can into the body. Now with BodyKey, right, I'm going to briefly tell you why BodyKey is so good, right? Personally, you got this full complete of micronutrients, right, coming from the one and only company that grow, harvest, process, and even like pack and deliver to your door from their own organic farms. And they own the organic farms over 90 years, and it was amazing. Like, I've just done some research, and no wonder the quality of the ingredients is so high, that is so potent and effective. And so you pay for what you get. And so all these micronutrients, right, in the one sachet itself, it just adds so much nutritional value. And of course, again, the plant protein itself, if you peel it up the back of the labels, right, I'm just going to show you behind this label. You can see all the essential amino acids right here. All essential amino acids are all here. I don't know if you can focus or not focusing on this one. Yeah, basically it's all here. It shows you got this isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, valine, histidine. So these are all the 9 essential amino acids that your body requires to really manufacture the rest of the 22 essential amino acids. So, and again, the plant proteins is non-GMO, and is cholesterol free and carbs free as well. So it's a really pure protein. I've been consuming like close to 8 years, and like I can't find any other proteins. Like personally, like this is probably the best I can, and it's so pure. It's really suitable for vegetarians as well. And again, BodyKey is kosher, and it's also halal, and you can consume it for vegetarians as well. Very suitable. And again, like it has fiber that you need, and really good quality plant protein as well, which is the similar plant protein from this farm, and then all the micronutrients from the organic farm. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you get so much out of it. But then before we go, we got like Chris right here, because he's a consumer as well. Like I personally know Chris for over 15 years, and he's been amazing. Like his health has been transformed a lot for the past few years. So Chris, what do you reckon about this BodyKey?
Oh, it's absolutely amazing, Alex. I take it every morning, and it's just an ideal kickstart to the day, really, and it keeps me going. And I really do like to take it every day now.
Awesome. Yeah. So Chris has had a transformation as well for the past few years. So I think the key thing is you are filling the gap of nutrition needs. Is that right? And that's why you have improved so much. And I mean, a good body is a good temple, right? So your well-being and your mind and emotion, they're all connected. So it all really helps, right? So well done, Chris. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.